I promised my friend Jordan that I would start this unboxing. So I'm going to do a quick part 1 here, okay? So here we go. This is Casabrews semi-auto espresso machine. CM5418. And I am going to unbox it. So here's the parts that are included. There's an espresso machine. There's the shot puller. And then it looks like they do have the tamp and everything. We'll figure it out. But theoretically, okay. Theoretically, it's supposed to look like this. Alright. So, I don't drink pure shots. I usually also steam milk. I'm going to share all of that with you guys in the future, okay? But here we go. This is part 1. Part 1. I've had this for a while. I just haven't had time. So, Jordan's like, dude, pictures or it didn't happen, right? So, I was like, Jordan, I'll take you up on the offer. Here we go. Boom. And we're gonna go here. Here we are. Okay. They even come with coffee recipes. Now, this is more, okay. This is kind of cool. This is, like, look at this. Like, really cool recipes, man. Look at this. Okay. I'm keeping this. Alright. Now, this is the instruction manual. Here we are, guys. Here we are. Right, this is the shot puller. I used to work as a barista, so let's think about what this could be. To scoop some espresso, maybe? Maybe this is the time where we need to open up our manual. Let's take a look. What is that? This is it comes with a first time start guide. Teaches you how to flush the machine. That's a very important thing you gotta do. Yeah. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna do all of this in the future. But I just want to figure out what this is. So let's look. Let's see if there's a... There it is, number 50. Oh, it's a coffee spoon. I was right. Yeah, just to scoop the coffee. Okay, cool. So, part 1, guys. The thing is, I'm not going to unbox this all, so I might... What if we stop here? Let's look at this. Yeah. So, this... Oh yeah. Okay, I will explain to you guys this stuff in the future. But this is basically an extra one. Yeah. Okay. I'm probably, once I unbox this, I'm gonna put the parts into a separate bag so I always keep track of where it's at. In fact, I probably need to do that now. I've already. I know you guys want to see the actual machine. So, what I'll do is, I'll just show you guys the actual machine real quickly. And then, we will stop here. Alright, I'm going to get the machine out. Hardest part is to get the machine out. the machine. So it comes like this. And honestly, I probably need to unbox this somewhere else. So maybe this is just part 1, okay? I will show you part 2 soon. Stay tuned.